Welcome to our channel, where today we'll be discussing a crucial topic that affects many people around the world: blood sugar management. Whether you're managing diabetes or simply trying to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, the key is to adopt lifestyle habits that keep your blood sugar stable. Today, we'll explore the top 5 tips for lowering your blood sugar levels effectively. Firstly, let's talk about diet, the cornerstone of blood sugar management. Consuming foods that are high in fiber is one of the most effective strategies for managing your blood sugar levels. Fiber slows the digestion and absorption of sugars, leading to a more gradual increase in blood sugar. Incorporate high-fiber foods into your diet, such as whole grains, beans, lentils, and fruits like apples and berries. These foods have a low glycemic index, which means they have a less pronounced effect on your blood sugar. So next time you're at the grocery store, pick whole, unprocessed foods to keep your plate vibrant and your blood sugar steady. Secondly, let's delve into the importance of regular physical activity. Engaging in exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also plays a vital role in enhancing insulin sensitivity. When your body is more sensitive to insulin, it can use sugar in your bloodstream more efficiently. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. And remember, consistency is key. Even simple physical activities like walking after meals can have a profound impact on your blood sugar levels. Now, it's time to talk about mindful eating. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to eat on the go, which can lead to overconsumption and erratic blood sugar levels. By practicing mindful eating, you become more aware of what you're eating and how it affects you. Take time to savor each bite and pay attention to signals of hunger and fullness. This mindful approach can help you avoid overeating and make healthier food choices, both of which contribute to better blood sugar control. Our fourth tip involves keeping hydrated. Water is essential for many bodily functions, including glucose regulation. When you're dehydrated, your body produces more of the hormone vasopressin, which leads to higher blood sugar levels by prompting your liver to release more sugar into the bloodstream. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. If plain water isn't appealing, try infusing it with slices of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Staying hydrated not only helps in regulating blood sugar, but also supports overall health. Finally, managing stress is an often overlooked aspect of blood sugar control. Stress can cause your body to produce hormones like cortisol that raise blood sugar levels. Finding effective ways to manage stress is crucial. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even taking some time out for hobbies you love can significantly reduce stress levels. Additionally, ensuring you get adequate sleep is vital, as sleep deprivation can also elevate blood sugar levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to maintain a balanced lifestyle. To wrap up, managing your blood sugar levels is not just about one big change, but rather a series of small, meaningful adjustments to your daily routine. By incorporating high-fiber foods, staying physically active, practicing mindful eating, staying hydrated, and managing stress, you empower yourself to take control of your blood sugar levels. We hope you found these insights helpful and that they inspire you to make positive changes towards better health. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to share your tips for blood sugar management, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable health tips.